Hi everyone, for today's vlog, I'm going to unbox a package that I've recently bought from Lazada, and also I'm going to raffle away the Plantronics Backbit Fit 305 because yes, finally I've reached 1K subscribers. So many thanks to you guys. I really appreciate the love and support. So let's unbox this. Let's go. So guys, this is the item that I've bought from Lazada, but I've been wanting to buy it from Starbucks, but for some reason, the collaboration of Stojo and Starbucks is hype here in Singapore, and it was sold out within like 2 days. So I have no choice but just to buy it in Lazada, and also the only difference is the Starbucks branding, which is not a big of a difference. So I think this is also available in True Value because I saw some people posted in Facebook that if it's available in True Value Philippines and it's a bit cheaper compared to Lazada. Let's open the package. So guys, this is the packaging and I chose the black one. So let's open the packaging. And this is the 16 ounce version, which is 470 ml. So it's a bit bigger compared to the other version, which is like around 300 ml. So this is the 470 ml version. And this is the cup itself. Okay. So there are 3 reasons why I think this is a good buy. First, this is a reusable cup which you can use in the office or during your travels. So this is perfect for hot or for cold beverages, and also perfect for your coffee. Now, the second reason is this one is leak proof. At first, I'm doubting it, but I've tried to search online and I've seen videos of people trying to test out how leak proof this is, and believe me, this one does the job. Now, because it's leak proof, it's perfect for people who are on the go who just wants to enjoy their cup of coffee. This is a perfect replacement for your takeaway cup from Starbucks or from other coffee shops. So yeah, this is perfect for those people who are on the go. Now for the third reason, this one is a collapsible mug or cup. So you can just easily pack it inside your bag and just use it whenever you want. It's perfect for travel or for your trips. So because it's quite handy, it's a reusable mug or cup, and also it's leak proof, it's quite handy. So guys, for the raffle part, finally we're going to raffle this away because it's been a while, and thank you for all the support, and we've managed to hit 1K. So yeah, we're going to give this away, the Plantronics Backbit Fit 305, and I'm going to use commentpicker.com to pick the winner. So I'm just going to put the YouTube URL. Okay guys, I'm going to use the commentpicker.com and let's see who's going to win this raffle. Let's just paste. Get YouTube comment. Okay. Congratulations to Lawrence Osinsao, you've won a JB Plantronics Backbit Fit 305. So message me on Instagram and let's discuss how you can get this. Okay? So this ends the vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you find this useful, and maybe you can consider buying this Stojo, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.